Hey guys, what's up? So in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing and showing you guys Kenneth Cole's men's chronography watch. So before entering today's video, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure that you hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any new future videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.
So this is the box of the watch and I bought it from a store called Helios. To watch the review of this watch, just click on the I button right here. Anyways, let's start with the unboxing. So on top you get to see Kenneth Cole New York logo. There's the model number of the watch and here are a few details about the watch. The MRP on the box says 16,495 rupees including all taxes, and it is Titan Company Limited. So let's open this up. And you get to see something which is identical to what was on top. So on top was like a cover. This is the actual box of the watch. It says Kenneth Cole on top again, and on the side the same thing which was there, because it was only covered from four sides basically. So this is actually the box or the carrying case for the watch. Kenneth Cole New York logo again on top. Then here is the warranty card for the same watch, and with it you also get a congratulations letter inside the box of the Kenneth Cole watch. And this is the carrying case or the pouch in which the watch is here, and it is kind of like a doormat finished pouch or something like that, and it's pretty cool. And Kenneth Cole New York logo on top. So let's open it up and see that there it is, the watch inside. The Kenneth Cole New York's chronography watch with blue dial as well, and nothing else is there inside the pouch. So let's keep that aside and let's talk about the watch. So now let's talk about the few details of this watch. So the case diameter of this watch is around 44 millimeters. You get a 2-year warranty with this watch. You get two color options with this watch, and online when I searched, it showed that it is 50-meter water resistant as well. So now on the side of the watch you get to see 3 buttons. First one is to toggle the time, then other 2 are used to toggle the stopwatch. So now I'll show you how you can actually use the buttons on the watch. So if you press once on the top button, it is going to engage the stopwatch like this. So both on the left side of the watch and on the bottom of the watch are the stopwatches, and if you hold down the bottom button, it resets all the stopwatches. So that was all about the features of this watch. So now let's talk about the strap of this watch. As you guys can see, here is the Kenneth Cole branding. So this is a stainless steel band with which is in silver color, and on the bottom of the watch it says all stainless steel, and you also can see the Kenneth Cole branding over there. And it is also covered with some sort of plastic to protect the band from getting scratched. And there is also a plastic protection to protect the Kenneth Cole logo on the band itself. So let's first remove that. And yeah. So now it looks pretty neat and clean and shiny. Of course it should be, because it's a new watch. So now let's remove this watch, and to see the review of this one, click on the I button here, or I'll also provide the link in the description as well. So let's remove this one right here, and let's wear the Kenneth Cole's chronography watch with blue dial. So the first thing which you would notice is the weight of this watch, and which is approximately 163 grams. Feels pretty heavy, and for my perspective it is one of the most perfect watch I ever had. And that's it. So all the links are in the description, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Up till then, take care, guys.